Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cornbread using cornmeal. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a half cup of sugar. For leavening, grab 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, for the wet components, have 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 large egg ready to go. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, the cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk until they are thoroughly blended. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk together the milk, melted butter, and the egg. Then, slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring just until everything is moistened. Be careful not to overmix. Before we bake, proper preparation is key. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 205 degrees Celsius. Next, generously grease either a 9-inch square baking pan or a 10-inch cast iron skillet. This step helps prevent sticking and ensures a beautiful crust. Once your pan is ready, carefully pour the cornbread batter into it, spreading it out evenly to reach all the edges. We are almost ready for the oven. It's time to bake our delicious cornbread. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be a lovely golden brown and the edges will appear slightly crisp. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set perfectly before you slice and serve it warm. Enjoy your homemade cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.